how do interest rates affect the land industry? Obviously, interest rates are rising. They're going to continue to rise. It appears. We never really know, but the Fed's just announced another 3/4 rate hike, Ron. As you can see, prices on the market are dropping when they're listed, so people can't get that top dollar anymore that they once could get. People aren't overbidding.
I think the main thing affecting the land industry with this recession or with interest rates going up is you're going to have less buyers out there. Like a buyer who maybe was getting a loan at 3% for land, 4% for land 12 months ago isn't going to be able to get that percent. It's going to be closer to 6%, maybe 6.5%, something like that. At $100,000. So that's a significant loan at 6.5% compared to where it was a year ago, 8 months ago, something like that. So I think that's the main thing, Dan. There's going to be less buyers out there who are looking to buy land without loans. I think it's a great spot for cash people. Like people with cash right now have a ton of places to put their money. Land is a very safe spot with very little in taxes, so they can put their money in that. And that's what we're seeing a ton of. Like I'm seeing so many more cash buyers, which is great because we can close those in 2 to 3 weeks really easily. But in terms of the loan people, I think are slowing off a little bit. It's a little more difficult to sell those really small parcels, Dan, because most of those are loans to build a house or something like that, and those are more difficult to sell at the moment.